Hello, dear distinguished people. My name is Dr. Abdelghani Fawad Hussain. Welcome to a new lecture from our training course. The complete collection of search engine optimization strategy templates with step-by-step instructions. How to use headings on your site. Headings help users and search engines to read and understand text. For example, they act as signposts for the readers and make it easier for them to figure out what a post or page is about. Headings also define which parts of your content are important and show how they're interconnected. Here, we'll give you pointers on how to think about headers and use them to improve the readability of your content. Table of contents. Why use headings? Use headings to show text structure. Use headings to improve accessibility. Use headings to improve SEO. How to use headings effectively. Structuring your headings. How to structure your headings. What does the subheading distribution check in Yoast SEO do? How to get a green traffic light for your subheading distribution. An example heading structure. Adding headings. How to add a heading in WordPress. How to add a heading in Shopify. Using your key phrase in the subheadings. Yoast SEO can help you with the key phrase in headings assessment. How to add your key phrase in your subheadings. Headings in themes. Check your blog's headings. Did you get a red or an orange traffic light for subheading distribution in Yoast SEO? Learn how to distribute them better? Or did Yoast SEO give you feedback on the way you use your key phrase in subheadings? Learn how to improve that. Why use headings? Use headings to show text structure. Headings are signposts that guide readers through an article. Therefore, they should indicate what a section or a paragraph is about. Otherwise, people won't know what to expect. Readers like to scan content to get an idea of what the text is about and to decide which sections of the text they're going to read. Headings help them do that. Scanning the text becomes significantly harder for your readers when it doesn't contain any headings. It's even worse when you add long stretches of text after a heading. You don't want to scare off people with the infamous wall of text. For web copy, it's good practice to make sure that your headings are informative to the reader. Some people like to tease their audience in the headings, trying to entice them to read further. While that can work very well, it's also very easy to get wrong. Remember that the main focus of headings should be on the content, and the primary purpose should be to make the text easier to read and understand. Also, keep the following two things in mind. Firstly, a paragraph should start with a core sentence on which you elaborate in the rest of the paragraph. When restructuring your text to add a heading, make sure first sentence of your paragraph contains the essential information of that paragraph. Secondly, consider how the information is structured in your paragraphs and what the relation is between paragraphs, and how a subheading can help make that information easier to digest. Use headings to improve accessibility. Heading structure is important for accessibility as well, especially for people who can't easily read from a screen.